In this problem, we'll review how to find mass using SI units and converting between them. Imagine we have an aspirin tablet that has 300 milligrams of medicine. In question A, we are asked to convert those 300 milligrams into grams and round to 2 decimal places. Let's review our SI conversions first. In the SI system, 1 gram is the same thing as 100 centigrams. That's also the same as 1,000 milligrams. And also the same as 1,000,000 micrograms. Now let's begin with our 300 milligrams. To change to grams, we multiply this by a fraction. On the top, we put what we want. We would like to have grams as our answer. And on the bottom, we put what we already have, that's milligrams. According to the SI conversion factor on the right, 1 gram is the same as 1,000 milligrams. So we place the number 1 next to grams and 1,000 next to milligrams. We can handle this math in Excel. Let's begin by placing 300 milligrams in Excel. Now we convert milligrams to grams. We wrote down in our PowerPoint previously that this was 1 over 1,000, so we place equals 1 slash to divide 1,000, and we get a decimal number. Now, to get our new grams, we multiply the two numbers in B1 and B2 together. We'll say equals, click B1 with the mouse, Shift 8 will give us the times sign, and click on B2. This will give us 0.3 grams, and we can increase the number of decimal places by clicking this button in the number section that says Increase Decimal. This will be the number of grams in the aspirin. In part B, we'll convert our answer to ounces. We begin by bringing forward the 0.30 grams, and we multiply by another fraction. This time we want something different, ounces. Therefore, we place it on the top. On the bottom, let's place what we already have. That's grams. Now let's use a search engine to find a conversion between ounces and grams. Our search engine tells us that 1 ounce is the same as 28.3495 grams. Let's just use 28.35 to round it. Now we place the numbers in their correct positions. The 1 will go next to ounces, and the 28.35 will go next to grams. Now we can place this number in Excel as well. The 0.30 is already in Excel, so we don't need to type it again. But now let's convert grams to ounces. We wrote our conversion factor as 1 over 28.35. So we'll say equals 1 divided by 28.35. This gives us another decimal number. Now our new ounces will be B3, which was our number of grams, multiplied by B4, which will change us to ounces. Our answer is 0.010582. We can reduce the number of decimal places. Let's just use 4 decimal places in this answer. Now for part C. How many tablets would you need to take in order to equal a maximum strength aspirin, or 1 gram? To do this problem, we'll begin with the 1 gram they give us. And we divide by the number of grams we found previously. We'll use the 0.30 because that is also in grams. We do need to make sure that the units match up. Let's do this in Excel. We need a mass of 1 gram. To find the number of tablets needed, we took 1 over 0.30. We'll say equals and click the 1 located in cell B7 divided by the 0.30, which we already have in B3. Our answer will be 3.333 repeating. Let's reduce the number of decimal places. We can just say that the number of tablets we need is 3.333, roughly 3 1/3 tablets. And that's all 3 parts completed. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.